Did you know Vancouver's multi-million dollar teardowns are fueled by a hidden policy most homeowners don't even see coming? Let me tell you, I've been in real estate here for years and nothing prepared me for the day I showed a client a literal teardown in Oakridge listed for over $10 million. dollars. The house? A crumbling bungalow? The land? A gold mine? Thanks to zoning policies that let developers build towers here. That's land lift in action when rezoning transforms a single family lot into a high density jackpot overnight. Here's the kicker: the city tries to claw back some of that value through something called community amenity contributions, CACs. Developers pay these fees to fund parks, daycares, affordable housing, in theory. Back in the 80s, Yaletown's redevelopment nailed this. CACs built seawalls, community centers, the works. But today, let's just say the system's got leaks. Take that Oakridge teardown. $10.5 million dollars for a lot that, without rezoning potential, should be worth maybe $2 million. The problem? Speculators are betting the city won't enforce strict CACs, so they're snatching up land, banking on future profits. And who pays? Buyers, renters, anyone hoping for affordability. Oh, and don't get me started on the supply and demand argument. Sure, building more housing should lower prices. But when land costs balloon because of speculation, developers pass those costs to buyers. It's like trying to fill a bathtub with the drain wide open. But here's the twist: some folks argue this chaos is necessary. More density means more units, which could ease the crisis. If we streamline red tape and prioritize projects that actually help middle income families. Imagine Saks funding not just parks, but truly affordable units, not just luxury condos with a token affordable studio. So, what's the fix? Stricter CACs to rein in speculation? Faster approvals to boost supply? Honestly, I'm torn. Every time I see a teardown sell for millions, I wonder, are we building a city for people or portfolios? If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. And hey, like and subscribe. Or I'll start sending you Zillow listings from 1992. Trust me, you don't want that.